Well, good morning everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Gonna go take a ride in the Tundra, do some errands, grab some sweet tea and stuff. And I happened to look out the window and I saw that I have a big tree branch down back there. About the size of a small tree. So, we're gonna grab the gator, and I don't have any tools left because we're moving, so I sold everything. So I have I believe a machete and a sledgehammer to deal with this branch and the gator. So stay tuned, we'll see how it goes. Okay, here we go. And out there is the branch. It's kind of more than a branch, really. It's more so part of the tree, as you guys can see. Snapped off, and it did snap cleanly, I'll be darned. So, silver lining there is I don't have to cut anything. I just have to get it off the tree and tow it somewhere. So let me get you guys set up and I'll show you how I'll do that. Alright, we have a tow strap here, so we're going to use that. Hook that onto the hitch back here, I guess. And then let's see about, this is what we've got. It just snapped off the tree. Probably from storm damage a while back, I'm guessing. That puts it on the ground, so we'll take the tow strap there and hook it around the tree and then pull it to its final resting place. So, let's see. We'll just put it around here. I think that should be good. See if we can't pull that off to a pile I have over there on the outside of the fence, of course, and be done with it. So let's give that a try here. Part of owning property. You guys can see back there, hopefully. Now we have to get through this opening here in the fence. So I didn't want to open the other side. I probably should, but I think it'll fit. And second thought, we're going to open the other side. Why not? Set you guys down. Alright, let's carry on. I think about right there. Lots of mosquitoes out here, that's wonderful. And let's see if I can't get this unhooked. We're going to put it right over there. Hopefully. Grab the machete. Yeah, baby. Nothing like a machete. even a dull one like this. All right, and that is how you take care of a big broken branch. Country style. Okay, that was a lot of fun. It really didn't take too long though. Probably took about 15 minutes and a little bit of elbow grease with the machete. But the gator comes in real handy, let me tell you. If you have land and you don't have a gator or some kind of four-wheel moving device, I don't know how you manage, because when things like that come up, 5 acres or more is a long distance to walk if you're dragging basically a tree. So now we're in the tundra, and I think I am well deserving of a sweet tea.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. How may I help you?
I just need a large sweet tea, that's all.
Hi.
Hello. Thank you. Okay, we are sitting in the driveway at home here, and I've been having a problem with the Tundra, specifically with the phone interface, my iPhone, and the radio or the infotainment system in the truck. Whenever anyone calls me and it's running through the sound system, the radio in the truck, they tell me that there is a horrible echo on their end. So bad that I've had some people tell me that they won't even talk to me on it, that they want to try to call me back because they can't understand the conversation. So we're gonna reset the system. I'm gonna go through that with you, and for me too. I don't even remember how to do it, to be honest. So we're gonna reset the phone connection, I guess, to the truck, and see if it makes any difference whatsoever. So we want to remove Rob. Would you like to remove this device, Rob? Yes. Device removed. All right, now we need to go to my own phone, or my phone rather, and go to settings, and we want to go back to Bluetooth, and now we're going to go through the setup procedure. So we're going to add, let's see, search. Okay, so I'm looking for the Bluetooth name Toyota Tundra. And I'm not seeing it on here yet. Please search for the name below using your Bluetooth device, Toyota Tundra. You guys can see there. And here on the phone, we have it. So let's go like so. And it says, make sure Toyota Tundra is turned on and in range. It is. Interesting. So it's not connecting. Oh, connection unsuccessful. Make sure Toyota is turned on and in range. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to cancel this. And we're going to turn that off. We're going to turn that off. We're going to turn the Bluetooth off. Hard to do with one hand, I guess. So now we're going to go back here. We're going to click Add, and we're going to turn the Bluetooth on, and then we're going to look for Toyota Tundra. It looks like it connected them. So now, see if we can set up messaging. It looks like it's downloaded my contacts and stuff. So now we're going to go to home. I'm going to try calling Krista. Let's see. On my phone. to see if this works. Okay, we're calling Krista. Hello?
What are you doing?
I'm testing my phone. Is there any kind of an echo?
I don't think so. I have you on speaker.
Yeah, but you're not hearing any kind of an echo from yourself or anything?
No.
Oh, okay.
Let me put it to my ear.
Okay.
No, I don't hear anything.
No echo. It's a clear call.
It is.
All right. Cool. That's all I wanted.
Have you figured it out?
I just reset the phone.
No.
Re-added it.
Okay.
Okay. See you in a minute.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
All right. Well, there was a test, and it seemed to work. Krista said there weren't any troubles, so sounds to me like we fixed the problem. Anyway, that was a bit more lengthy than I thought it would be. But the phone is reconnected and seems like it's working now, so I don't know what the problem was before. Who knows? Anyway, we're back at home now, so we're gonna do some editing on some videos, actually. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please hit that thumbs up button, click that subscribe button if you haven't before, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day.